Welcome back to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. This is episode 9 of our Daily NEET Biology Podcast. Today we step into the heart of taxonomy, exploring each rank in the taxonomic categories, from the vast kingdom down to the specific species. Think of this as zooming in with a biological microscope, moving from the broadest groupings to the most precise classifications in more detailed manner. By the end of this episode, you will not only remember the sequence but truly understand what each rank means and why it matters for NEET. Let's make this concept simple, logical, and unforgettable together. In the taxonomical hierarchy, kingdom is the broadest and most general rank, grouping organisms that share only basic structural and functional traits. R. H. Whitaker's 5-kingdom classification includes Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, and animalia, each defined by differences in cell type, cell structure, nutrition, body organization, and reproduction. For example, humans fall under kingdom Animalia, while a mango tree belongs to kingdom Plantae. This level sets the stage for all further classification by creating the largest biological divisions. After kingdom comes phylum in animals and division in plants, fungi, and algae. This rank groups organisms that share more specific structural features. In the animal kingdom, for example, phylum Chordata includes animals that possess a notochord at some stage in their life, such as fishes, birds, and humans. In plants, division Magnoliophyta includes all flowering plants like roses and mango trees. This step narrows down the diversity into groups with a shared fundamental design. Class is the next level after phylum or division, and it groups organisms with even more specific similarities. In the animal kingdom, the class Mammalia includes animals with hair or fur, the ability to produce milk for their young, and warm-blooded bodies, such as lions, dolphins, and humans. In the plant kingdom, within division Magnoliophyta, the class Monocotyledone contains plants like wheat, grasses, and lilies that have a single seed leaf, parallel veins in their leaves, and fibrous root systems. This step makes classification even more precise. Order is the level below class, and it groups together families that share key characteristics. In class Mammalia, the order Carnivora contains meat-eating mammals like lions, tigers, and wolves that have sharp teeth and hunting adaptations. In class Monocotyledone, the order Poles includes grasses and important cereal crops like wheat, rice, and maize. This step makes it easier to connect related families under a single category. Family is a taxonomic category that comes below order and above genus. It groups together related genera that share common characteristics. Members of a family have more specific structural and evolutionary traits in common compared to higher taxonomic ranks. For example, the family Felidae includes different genera such as Panthera, which has lions and tigers, and Felis, which includes domestic cats. Similarly, the family Fabaceae includes genera like Pisum for peas and Phaseolus for beans. Understanding the family category helps us organize and classify biodiversity by grouping closely related organisms. Genus is a taxonomic category that comes below family and above species. It groups species that are closely related and share common characteristics. Organisms within the same genus have similar physical features and genetic makeup. For example, the genus Panthera includes species such as Panthera leo, which is the lion, and Panthera tigris, the tiger. Another example is the genus Homo, which includes Homo sapiens, or modern humans. The genus name is important because it forms the first part of the scientific name used in binomial nomenclature. Species is the most basic and specific taxonomic category. It defines a group of individuals that can interbreed and produce fertile offspring. Members of a species share similar physical features, behaviors, and genetic makeup. For example, Panthera leo is the species name for lions, and Homo sapiens is the species name for modern humans. Species is the fundamental unit used in biological classification, and it forms the second part of the scientific name in binomial nomenclature. Thanks for watching. Today, we learned about important taxonomic categories from kingdom to species and how they help us organize the diversity of life in a detailed manner. In the next episode, we will talk about binomial nomenclature. You can find the playlists for our Daily NEET Biology Podcast and Daily NEET MCQs and PYQs in the description and in the cards above. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more biology podcasts. Answer the questions in the slides to get featured in the next episode. Feel free to ask your questions and share your thoughts in the comments. Keep learning and stay curious. See you in the next episode.